Greetings and welcome to the Travel with Neera channel, your gateway to exploring the globe and beyond. Today, we're diving into a topic that is transforming the landscape of modern agriculture: drone technology. Imagine soaring above vast fields of wheat, corn and soy, capturing data that can enhance crop yield, reduce waste, and boost overall farm productivity. That's the power of drone work in agriculture. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are revolutionizing the agricultural sector in several remarkable ways. By taking to the skies, these high-tech devices provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their land, offering insights that were once impossible to attain. One of the most significant benefits of drone work in agriculture is precision. Drones can accurately map out farms, identify areas of stress in crops, and even pinpoint the exact locations where pesticides or fertilizers are needed. This level of precision saves time, reduces costs, and contributes to sustainable farming practices by minimizing the use of harmful chemicals. But the advantages don't stop there. Drones also facilitate efficient irrigation. Equipped with thermal sensors, they can detect areas of a field that are too dry or too wet, allowing farmers to adjust their irrigation systems accordingly. This not only conserves water, but also ensures that crops receive the right amount of hydration for optimal growth. In addition, drones play a crucial role in crop monitoring. They enable farmers to keep a close eye on their fields, detecting potential threats such as pests or diseases early on. Early detection can make a significant difference, enabling timely intervention and potentially saving entire crops from devastation. So, to sum it up, drone work in agriculture is not just about technology for technology's sake. It's about harnessing the power of innovation to increase efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and ultimately, feed our growing global population. From precision farming and efficient irrigation to proactive crop monitoring, drones are proving to be invaluable tools in the agricultural sector. They're redefining what's possible, pushing boundaries, and paving the way for a future where farming is sustainable, efficient, and highly productive. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of drone technology in agriculture. On the Travel with Neera channel, we're always exploring new frontiers, be they geographical or technological. Until our next adventure, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring.